In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on video that you wish to add. If you want to add a video file, select plus icon instead of camera one. Click on Files and look for your audio one by hitting audio at the top, selecting one of those apps or tapping on those three lines at the top left corner to select one of those sources. Either way, just hold your file and hit select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!